How to unsync iPad from iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can unsync iPad from iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. The first solution is to head over to settings. Once on settings here, you want to head into the general option here, and here you can see the option that says AirPlay and handoff. You want to tap on it and you can see the handoff option. You want to make sure that it's toggled off. Now as you can read there, handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on other device using your iCloud account. The app you need appears in the app switcher and in the dock on a Mac, so you want to toggle that off if you have connected your iPad and iPhone. Now the other way to totally unsync your iPad and iPhone is to unlink them. How you can unlink them? You can head back and tap on the profile at the top, and then here scroll down below. If you have any other device here synced, if you have them connected, the easiest way to unsync them is to tap on that particular device, and there at the bottom you'll find the option to remove account. Now I don't have any synced devices here, it's my own device, but if you have it you can tap on it, and at the bottom you'll find the remove account option or remove from account option. You can tap on it and it'll be removed and it'll be unsynced. So this is the way that you can unsync iPad from iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.